values for both x bar of, okay, so I have to go back to
Yeah, so like that's the thing.
all right.
I mean,
Yeah, for that one too. I thought
both of them kind of I need help with.
So,
got the wrong answer.
so when I look at 27, I'm looking at a curve that would look like this. Okay. Centered at, what's the number again? 115?
Yeah, one.
Okay. Does that look right?
Yeah, that's what I
Based on
have.
the null alternative hypothesis,
Then
right?
they just want you to find the p-values for both of them.
So, yeah, in part A, it's saying calculate the p-values for x bar being 118.6 and x bar being 125.7. Two values expressed in the number. Okay, so all you have to do then is 118.6. Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it in red here. 118.6, this is equal to x bar, that's our sample mean. So we have to go and do a z-score now. So we're going to go, yeah, we got to get our z equation out here. We're going to go 118.6 minus 115 all over. And we have to go back to number 27. What is it? 30 is the standard deviation. And what's our sample size? Does it have a sample size?
That's what I was doing wrong.
What's your sample size?
Oh, did we switch the?
In 27, is there a sample size?
It's 25, I thought.
The word some of these really confusing to say, the standard deviation remains the same for the sample. And so it's
Yeah, I don't like how they do that, so I'm gonna switch it up. You always want to do this little equation though, right?
Yes.
Like, as a rule, you should always do
Yes. This is the z prime.
that.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm filling in the blanks because sometimes it won't be so easy.
Yeah.
Okay? Everybody understand where those numbers are coming from?
Yeah.
So
Sure.
when we do this math,
Then you make
what do we get for an answer?
2.46.
Is that what it is?
I got 0.46, but I didn't do the little equation on the bottom.
I thought I did.
I got
Okay.
I just
0.6
divided
divided by 6. So that's going to be a little less than a half. So
It's not 0.46.
it's not 0.46.
It equals 0.72, but then I put the
Oh,
z.
0.72.
Yeah, but then I put the z-score. Hold on.
I got 0.6. Yeah, 0.6.
Yeah, that sounds right. 3.6 divided by
0.6
6.
exactly?
Yes.
Yeah, you do 1 minus that.
Yeah.
Okay.
3.65.
So let's understand what this 0.6 really is. Okay? It's our z-score. It's how many standard deviations above the mean our sample landed. Okay? So, when we standardize this, this is how far away from this sample mean. Or, our population mean, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, I get it.
Okay. So,
I'm going to take the z. So to go to the z table.
yeah, we still have to go to the z table.
Which is 0.7257. We're going to have to do.
For the area to the left.
Right, so you're going to do.
Okay, so this is 0.7257 is here. That's the area on the left. And the area on the right would be what we're interested in.
Wait, so it's 0.6. That's the z-score in the book. The 0.7257.
Yeah, I was with.
If you go in the table of your book, okay, when you look at the table, you're going to find the area to the left is this number.
Okay.
So you do 1 minus, and you're going to find the area of the table. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then you're going to do the same thing for, what was the other number? 125? 125.7, which is even further out there. So our area to the right is going to be much smaller.
Mhm.
Does that make sense?
In fact, it's
Yeah.
0.4.
And the area is what a p-value is.
Mm.
This area right in here,
Oh.
that's the
Okay.
p-value. That's what p-value is.
Okay.
P-value is basically the probability which is associated to the area under the curve. since our curve has an area of 1.
And that's between the 2 points. I can't see from your drawing. Is that between the 2 points or is that?
Well,
That's the whole thing.
I think it said calculate the p-values for both,
Yeah.
so we're doing them
Yeah.
individually.
That's what I thought.
Okay? Yeah. So, what's the p-value here? The p-value for this observation is, so when x bar equals 118.6, we get p to be what? About what number?
Oh, I
Point.
got it. No, I've got it.
0.2743. Okay? And then when x bar is 125.7, what's our p-value?
The 0.275.
No.
0.03.
Oh,
0.03. 0.0275.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, thank you. Does that make sense? There?
Yes.
We see why this one's so much smaller?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I had done it. I did 115 minus 118.6, and that's why all my answers were wrong. So I was
Okay.
close.
So it's always the formula, the Z formula, is always the observed or the sample number minus the population.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
It has to be observed minus expected.
So in today's stuff, they only
Okay.
do it where it could be on either side.
Yeah, we'll get there. Okay, so when we go to question part B on question 33, it says which of the two observed values of x bar are statistically significant at the 5% alpha level, at an alpha level equal to 0.05. So which of these two are statistically significant at the alpha level of 0.05?
Second one.
The second one, because it's less than 0.05. Okay? Which of the two are significant at the alpha level of 0.01? Neither of them. Because they're both. Neither are neither.
It doesn't matter.
They're both wrong. Okay? Yes?
There's never a time where you wouldn't use the equation for that. You wouldn't plug the standard deviation into the equation for the sample standard deviation in that situation.
We're going to talk about that now.
Oh God.
That's where T comes in. Okay?
I didn't understand last time.
It's not going to be a big deal. Really. Trust me. Trust me. It's not going to be
I
a big
tried to
deal.
trust you a lot.
Okay?
Hold up here and watch
Trust
me.
me. Questions? On 33.
I now understand that.
35.
Richard and Billy.
Was there a question around 35? Coffee sales?
Oh,
I don't
when
think so.
You
Maybe.
get the Z star and it's between two of the given values.
Okay,
of the
so
book.
where are we at? Do you have any?
Is there any
You got-
question?
Yes, the end of 35. The very
The
end.
end of, it says, is the result statistically significant at alpha level of 1?
Right, and you have
No.
to find that P significant level thing, and the answer is like 0.0105. But to get there from a Z star of, I think it was 2.5 something, 2.4 something.
I don't see Z star at
I have no idea what
all
you're talking
in
about.
number 35.
Yeah, I don't think you're.
He doesn't have any star
I think you're mixing your metaphors here. Whatever the equivalent of math.
I don't see a Z star at all in number 35.
You're probably thinking about a different question.
So you want to look in my book, Helen?
No.
I think I know what your question is. I think I know what your question is.
Yeah.
And I might be able to answer it with what we're going to talk about what's new.
Why
Okay?
should I do a question about today's assignment or is that later?
We could do a question about today's assignment.
Oh, we should. I have a lot of questions.
About 40, what was the, what did I give you? 39, 42, and
Yeah.
43?
38, 42.
Okay.
Yeah, I had questions about both 42 and 43.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's C and then B.
So, in 42, oh, yes. So, it says determine whether the mean nicotine content of grams, so